Hey guys, welcome back. And today I'm going to do something a little different. It's a DIY, and I haven't done this before, so it's a first. But I bought this purse and I absolutely loved it. I just think it's cute as it can be. But with most inexpensive purses, when you unzip them, they have this black hole. The lining is always black, and I hate that. So what I've done is I cut the lining out of the purse. What I did, because I didn't want to have to sew through the purse itself, I left like this little, maybe 1.5 inches whenever I cut it out. So that way, whenever I make the new lining and I put it in, I'm going to fold this over and attach just by hand, attach the lining there. You could probably get that under the sewing machine and do it, but I'm just going to hand stitch it. So let's see here, kind of show you what I cut out. Okay. So it was this little black pouch that came out, and it has these 2 pockets here that are just open little pockets. You can see. And I'm not going to put those back in because that purse has 3 pockets on the outside. That's plenty for that size purse. And on the other side of the lining was this little zipper pouch, and I'm not going to put that back in either. Now I did think about when I cut this out, if I wanted to leave this in there, cutting around it, and then whenever I attach the new lining, I could just attach it right below that zipper and keep the little black zipper in there. It wouldn't have mattered really. But in case you decide to do this too, that's just an idea if you want to keep that zipper pocket. I'm not going to, so I cut right above it. Okay, and I have cut, since it's a red purse, I went through all of my material that I had from my mom, and I found some pink. And it's a very thin, almost feels like a lining, you know, that texture. So I've cut out some pieces here, and just a basic little pouch, and then this is going to be the ends, like so. So I'm going to go ahead and sew these together right now on the machine. Okay, so I have my little pouch sewn, and I'm going to... Okay, so now I am going to just push the little pouch down inside the purse. I didn't even thread trim. I did not worry that I had edges like this where one side was sticking up just a little bit more, because this is being folded over anyway. It's not a big deal. We're not going to make this harder than it needs to be. Okay, so I'm going to go in right here, and I can see where the seams were with the black pouch, so I can just line up my seams and get this pinned inside. And again. Okay, and so just so you can see what I am doing inside the purse here, I am just going to pin this all the way around, and then I will use my quilting thread and just do a quick whip stitch all the way around it. Alrighty, so again, I'm not going to make you watch me. Okay guys, we got it done, and I just wanted to share it with you really quickly. And I'll just kind of show you here on the side. That black right there is what I was looking at first. I think, I don't know why they do that to purses. I just hate it. But here's what it looks like now. Much, much better. I'll be able to find things in there so much easier than looking into that black hole. And the stitches look pretty good. It actually looks very good. You can see there, it's very smooth. What I was thinking was, if it didn't look good, I was going to get some fabric glue and maybe just do a trim in there. Just trim it out. But I'm very happy with the way it turned out. And with this purse, ironically, I really liked it when I bought it. I just thought it was adorable. And so I went back and I got 3 other colors. Very unlike me, I am not a purse person. I don't go out and buy new handbags all the time. But when I find something I like, I do that. I do the same thing with shirts or anything. I am picky, so if I find something I like, I'm going to get multiples. But 3 of the 4 had that ugly black insert. So I'm going to be fixing the other 2. And I just wanted to share it with you. So I hope you guys, oh, and one other thing, you don't really have to even know how to sew to do this. I mean, really, needle and thread and just whip stitch it in there. So, you may even try the fabric glue. It's such lightweight material, it's not going to take a lot. And on the inside of a purse like that, it's not taking wear and tear like clothes are. So fabric glue may even work. But I wanted to share it. I hope you have a great week, and I'll be back next week.